Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project Health Supplement Store. I am using I am creating this video Health Supplement Store. This project Health Supplement Store I have developed in Python and Django. So I got many of the requests for the many of the student. So there is a two type of UI in this project. Like there is a different UI for user, there will be a different UI. So we created this project using two different UI and both are the bootstrap theme. And also I am using latest version of Python, that Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using this project. This is a front end page of this project and the project title is Health Supplement Store. You can buy any health supplement from this store. Okay, so I have developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, some of the jQuery library. And also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project like this. You can see, and also you can see there is a slider running on the home page. You can see we have used 3ms for the sliding. So this is a home page. Okay, right? You can see here categories and you can search anything from here. So this is all about the home page. This is a about us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. Okay, this is a products page. You can see all the products related health supplement. You can see all the products. This is a dynamic page. All the products are coming from the database. Same for the categories. Here you can see 8 categories. You can add the number of categories from the database or add category in the user admin panel. Okay, this is a this is also a dynamic page. Okay, this is a register page, user registration. Here user can easily register from this page, and this is a contact us page. This is also a static page. Now we start some buy product. Without login you can't buy any products. Okay, first click on the view details. Here is the restrictions. Without login you can't buy any health supplement. So you need to log in. Right, first user ID is customer and the password is test. Now log into account. Okay, you can see this is a user dashboard. You can see total orders, confirmed orders, order in transit, delivered orders. You can see each and everything. You can see important links, home, all products, all categories, my orders. You can see your orders. Okay, now if you want to buy some products, now click on the beta line, click on the view details. You can see this product details. You can add the number of quantity, like you want to buy 4 quantity. So click on the 4 and click on the add to cart. You can see your cart has been updated successfully, and this is a bulk supplement. Cost per unit 2200 and the quantity is 4 items and total cost. You can see the amounts gets calculating automatically. Okay, now click on the proceed to checkout if you want to buy. This is a make payment. This is a dummy page. Okay, nothing real in this page. This is only a dummy page. You can add the any card number like 1 2 3 4 5 6, name of card like a Visa, Master. You can enter in name anything. Expiry date, nothing real in this page. You can add any dummy amount on dummy, like you can any card number, number of name of card, expiry date, CVV, or click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done. This is your order summary, this is your personal details, and this is the payment summary. Your order has been confirmed. If you want to see your all order details, you can click on the my order sections. You can see your all orders which you bought. Click on, if you want to see this product details, you can click on the eye icon. You can see your order details from this. If you want to update your account, then click on the my account. You can update your account easily from this, and this is a logout and this is a contact. This is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this is a administration option is showing, logout option is, and dashboard option is also showing. If I log out, then you can see, if I log out, then you can see the upper menu has been changed because of the session. Customer has logged in, so the system is checking who is logged in, and accordingly so that upper menu has been displaying. So this is all about the front end panel what we have developed in this project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open admin panel. You need to log in. First, without login, you can't access the internal page. Now user ID is admin and the password is test. Now click on the sign in. Oh, this is a admin dashboard. This is a very attractive and great dashboard. You can see each and everything from this page, like a quick menu, all product, quick menu, like a home, all products. You can easily go from this page from here, and all products you can see categories, registered customers, and total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders, order in transit, total products, total customer. You can see this is totally bootstrap. Okay, so if you want to add new products, click on the add products. Admin can easily add the new product from here. Okay, this is a product management page. Okay, and this is a product report page. You can see all the product report. You can easily edit and delete from here. You can also export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. If you want to, this is a column visibility. If you want to, image has been not visible, click on the image. You can see the image has not visible. If you want to see the image, then click on that. You can see the image has been visible. So this is the power of this table. Same for the category. If you want to add new category, if you want to add category, admin add new category, you can easily add new category from this page, and you can enter anything, name, image and description, or now save the data. This is a category report. You can easily edit and delete from here. If you want to see in edit format, you can easily edit. You can see the category in edit format. You can see all the category report. Okay. If you want to see all order, you can see all orders, all customer order details from this page. You can see all order report. This is a add customer page. Here you can add the new customer from this page, and this is a customer report page. You can see all the customer report, and this is a change password. Here admin can easily update his password, and this is a logout option. So this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also view of user panel. So we use two different type of UI for the managing this whole project. So we have to develop these two different types of view for the managing this whole project. Online health supplement store, you can, admin can add the new health supplement category, anything, and the customer can easily buy the health supplement. So this is all features we had developed inside the project. If you have any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.